Here at minisplitwarehouse.com, we have mini-split systems like this Midea 2-ton model, efficient at 21.5 SEER. This heat pump is rated to negative 22 degrees. Get one for $2,029. Get more and save. 1 2-ton outdoor unit and wall-mounted indoor with remote included, with the option to upgrade the indoor unit, add the line sets and add the outdoor mounting. See the on-page description for the specifications, AHRI, and brochure. Get a 7-year compressor warranty and 5 years on parts. Visit us at minisplitwarehouse.com or call 877-70-3548.